Sejin here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create cute character stickers and also character sticker sheets using Midjourney. This is perfect if you want to create your own stickers and sell them on any print-on-demand store, or you just want to use them for your own personal use. I'll share all the prompts with you so you can experiment on your own. So if you like this sort of content, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to this channel. Let's dive right in. Our first character is going to be Baby Yoda from the Star Wars movie. Kawaii just means cute in Japanese, so this is going to be a cute baby Yoda. I used all the relevant words or tokens such as sticker, cutout, and vector in the prompt so that Midjourney understands exactly what I'm looking for. And here it is. Not too shabby for the first run, but I think I'll go with the first one. Next character on the list is Groot. Notice I switched it up a bit with the word cute instead of kawaii. If you haven't watched the first episode of Create Cute Characters, then make sure to click on the link above. I definitely think you'll like that topic as well. And here it is. Midjourney is running pretty solid today. All of these would make a great Groot sticker, but if I had to choose one, it would have to be the second one. Next up is Iron Man from the Avengers movie. Maybe it's just me, but I really enjoy creating Avengers characters on Midjourney. Let me know in the comment box below if you want to see other types of characters. Okay, this isn't too bad, but I need Iron Man's full body pose, so I would have to go with number 2 as my first choice. Now for Pikachu from Pokemon. If you want to upscale any of the stickers for print, you can try upscaling them. Click on the link that's popping up on top if you want to learn how to upscale. Nice! All of these would make great Pikachu stickers, but if I had to choose one, it'll be number 3. Now onto the Dark Knight Batman. Maybe I should give Robin a chance next time. Who's your favorite superhero? Let me know in the comment box below. I'm kind of surprised that Batman all came out pretty good. If I had to choose one, it'll have to be number 3. Now for everyone's favorite, Mario from the Super Mario Bros. Movie. I thought the recent Super Mario movie was really good, so I really wanted to generate Mario on Midjourney. Perfect! Midjourney really nailed this one. All the Marios came out really nice, but number 3 is my pick. Okay, let's do Spiderman and see how that turns out. Don't worry, we'll do the sticker sheet after this. Okay, this is kind of what I expected, and it seems like only one is really usable, so number 2 it is. Now to do the sticker sheets. You just need to add sticker sheets into the prompt. Here, I'm going to do Mario again, but as a sticker sheet. So let's see what happens here. Oh, it came out really interesting. They're all cute and colorful, but at the same time, super random. I think it's still usable as long as you don't mind some of the random characters. You can try playing around with the prompt a little to get different results. Let's try one more, but this time with Pikachu. Okay, this came out much better than the Mario one. More consistency in the character design and a bit less variations. Which one did you like better? So there you have it. I hope this video sparked some creative ideas for your next sticker design project. But let me know which one was your favorite sticker. Let me know in the comment box below. Thanks for watching until the very end. And if you like this video, please make sure to like it and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.